Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to flash any Android phone. The first step is to download the flashing tool, which is called SP Flash tool. I'll leave the link in the description so that you guys can download the latest version according to your operating system. There is Windows and there is also Linux. So you will download SP Flash tool from this website, spflashtool.com/download/. The next tool that I'll need you guys to download is called Maui Meta tool. So this Maui Meta tool is going to help you to flash the IMEI numbers of your phone. If it is a single SIM or a dual SIM, it will still work. This tool is very helpful when it comes to flashing IMEI numbers. I'll also leave the link on how you guys will flash the IMEI numbers. And the third thing that you need to download is the firmware or the operating system of your specific phone. So remember, the firmware is specific to your phone. If it is Infinix, you must specify the model number. If it is Tecno, if it is Samsung, HomeTom, or any other phone, Nokia, you must be specific on the model of the phone, not just the Nokia. For example, if you have a phone like, let's say, HomeTom S9 Plus, so you can see this one, HomeTom S9 Plus, and normally you can get it from any of these websites and see get. Yes, this is the specific phone that I wanted to download the firmware, so any of these can do. So I've already downloaded the firmware. I downloaded this one and I wanted to show you guys how to flash. So of course, alongside the drivers, you'll download alongside the drivers VCOM drivers, so that the computer can communicate to your phone when you'll be flashing without any problem. So you can also follow this link. I'll leave the link in the description, or you can search for VCOM drivers for Android phone or for your specific phone. Although Windows 10 is quite good at picking drivers, so you don't really need to, sometimes you don't really need even to install drivers for Windows 10. It just picks up automatically. Now we go now to flashing. Now the first thing you must do before you start flashing, please note down your IMEI numbers, and you can search for your IMEI numbers using the following code. You can just type on your dialer, just type *#06# and you'll be shown your IMEI number, whether it's for single SIM or dual SIM. If it is single SIM, you'll see 15 digits, 1 SIM 1, and that is it. If you have two SIMs, it will show you SIM 1 IMEI number and SIM 2 IMEI number. Write them down somewhere because you'll need them later. In some countries, it is illegal to change your IMEI number other than the original one that came with your phone. So it is important that you retain your IMEI numbers. Remember also that you'll be blocked from communicating in your network if you don't have a IMEI number, so you won't be able, although this tool will install an automatic IMEI number on your phone. If it is a dual SIM, you'll have a problem because it will use the same IMEI number for SIM 1 and SIM 2, which is of course not possible. You cannot use the same IMEI number on a network, you'd be blocked. by your provider. So once you've done that, you'll now go to once you've downloaded SP Flash Tool, navigate to where it is, extract it. It comes with a zip file, extract it. I've already extracted mine. I hope you know how to extract or unzip. So once you've done that, go to the folder where the SP Flash Tool has been extracted to, and then go to flashtool.exe file, double click, okay. So as you can see, it automatically loaded because I had already loaded, but for your case it will not automatically load, so you will need to go to scatter loading tool. You need to click choose, and once you click choose, it will redirect you to where you downloaded your firmware or the operating system for your specific phone. And then once you are there, you will choose the scatter file. It will end with, it will be something android scatter.txt. It will be a txt file. So once you click it, and you just click it and click open, it will now upload all the files. It is like an index file for all the operating system files. So once you've done that, you are ready, and I'm assuming by now you should have installed the drivers. So the next thing then you'll do is, first of all, depending on what you want to do, you can download only, or you can format all and download. If you want to clean install, you want to format everything, or you can also choose whether you want to leave out some partitions or you want to download all. So if you are downloading all, you can choose to format all and download, or download only. Please note that you should have chosen the right operating system or the right firmware for your specific phone, failure to which your phone may be rendered useless and may not work properly. If at all, it will start up. So you must be very careful with that. You have to be extremely careful. And then the next thing now you will do is to connect. First of all, you will click download. Once you click download, connect your phone to the USB. First of all, connect your phone to USB, and then connect now your USB to your computer. Once you do that, you'll be able to see that it will automatically start downloading the firmware to your phone. And make sure your phone, you must switch it off first, your phone. You have to switch off your phone, and then after switching off is when now you plug in. So switch off, now plug in, and once you plug in, to start showing you to start downloading automatically the operating system. And when it is complete, you'll see a green tick here, and it will show you that it has finished downloading. You just close, and then that will be it. Your phone will have been flashed. The firmware will have been flashed on your phone. So the next thing that you'll do is to go to the MAUI Meta tool. You should go to where you downloaded it. In my case, it is here. So, and then you will just click it, this exe file, this executable file. You should just run it and it will install. Like in my case, it is here, and then once it is installed, you can run it. And once it is run, I'll leave the link to show you guys how you can easily flash your email number. It is a very simple process, and you will choose email download here, connect your phone, reconnect. It will give you an option, a pop-up to enter your email number. So you will input the email numbers that you had recorded earlier, and then you just click OK, and it will flash the email numbers. In case you guys will not be able to flash email numbers successfully and you need me to do a video, you guys can tell me, and then I can do another video to flash email. So that is it, guys. That is how to flash any Android phone, and I hope you guys learned something. See you guys. Bye bye.